Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the essentials: a working phone number and an Android device with connectivity. Once done, open Play Store, install Google Messages, and explicitly decline account sign-in. This app can run without it. Next, grant SMS, contacts, and storage permissions. These let messages send and store texts and show contact names. You're doing this so messages can operate locally with your carrier. Granting permissions ensures full functionality, even without a Google account. Now configure messages to work locally. Set it as the default SMS app when Android asks, or via settings right arrow apps, right arrow default apps. If your carrier supports RCS, chat, enable it in messages settings. Know that some RCS features may need a Google account, so proceed only if the app lets you enable carrier RCS without signing in. Make sure contacts are imported from the phone SIM or device storage, and allow notifications so you don't miss texts. Finish by sending a test SMS to verify sending and receiving. Check delivery status to confirm carrier routing. If messages fail, clear messages cache and app info, toggle SMS and contact permissions, and try again. This often resolves permission or storage glitches. Reboot the phone and reset the SIM to fix network registration issues. If problems persist, contact your carrier to confirm SMS provisioning. Doing these steps ensures messages works locally without requiring a Google account.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.